Hey people, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the 24th episode of #TechZetGo. We all love to do shopping and online shopping to be specific. Incredibly, when our schedules are running tight, but nobody wants to visit an online store with not so eyes pleasing design and placements. Being a team of designers, we understand the pressure you are facing to put all your UX design pieces together for your e-commerce store, as UX is a major sales driving force for the e-commerce industry. You probably don't want to miss this opportunity to shine. This podcast is to help you get the best UX design ideas to infuse into your e-commerce website or mobile application. Now the question is, what is UX in an e-commerce store? In simple terms, UX design for e-commerce is a gateway to getting into your target audience head. Also ensure to offer a simplistic, intuitive, logical and joyful shopping experience. Be it e-commerce mobile app development or e-commerce website development, UI UX design plays an important role. UI focuses on getting users' first attention with creative design. Nevertheless, UX wins their hearts by providing them with the smooth app functional experience they need. In the realm of digital designing, UI is the queen, then the UX is the king alongside content, which leads business to success. Let's take one example. You walk into the fashion shop looking for specific style of clothes and accessories that one brand has, like it has offered in its latest TV commercial. You search the entire category menu but are unable to find your preferred product. So you are in search of store assistant, but sadly all customer service executives are busy attending to their other queries. Like how you would feel? Very sad. So it's very obvious to feel in such a way, and you'll call it a bad customer experience. And in this language of online shopping stores, it is called bad user experience, that is UX. So yes, that's the reason why the world's top IT reliant businesses like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Samsung, Amazon and so on are extensively investing in user experience design. So how does better UX design in e-commerce store drive sales? If you design your online store appearance by considering all user aspects and they like your effort, then you have your ticket to success. Jeff Bezos, the founder and the former CEO of Amazon, also affirms that if you design an excellent online user experience, your users are likely to spread positive words about your brand. And it's all connected. UX design is highly responsible for making and destroying e-commerce brands, which does not only limit to aesthetics. Starting with clear logic and transitions, granular user interactions, faster response time, smooth payment flow, and tons of appealing features. And these all things set the bars for your e-commerce game. Now let's understand 7 e-commerce store components UX to take care. The first is user interface. Though we say UX design plays a vital role in the success of any software, it is incomplete without user interface. After all, UX adds final touch-ups and puts the soul into the UI design. The user interface focuses on making users' journey across the software application easy and sound, also letting the user know the whole idea of how your app works. The second is clean homepage layout. Your e-commerce platform's homepage layout in the first impression on users. Its placements for brands and deals, search bar, profile and contact information define how effective user experience it will create. The first subcomponent is highlight the product value with use case and deals. We understand that you are eager to sell your products to the customers. With eagerness, many e-commerce sites end up following bad practices for showing all the technical features of the product at the start. It might be a good case for some users, but not for all. When thinking of the value, it could be price, discount, or main product application information with its appearance and texture visualization. Just as Mamaearth is following by defining how the customer can benefit from your e-commerce store in terms of product and price. So in short, it's all about managing the product's appearance effectively and real as it with like an impressive content presentation to attract more users. The second subcomponent is make search field accessible. So, okay, you have collaborated with top product brands while creating your products. Each product category is high class and up to the trend and with what Gen Z people need. But how will they reach the product they need? Of course, by some navigational fields that are known as the search fields. If you have too many product varieties to sell, then category is very necessary, and along with one search bar for custom query searching. Product categorization makes it easier for users to find their products under their preference. Just as Myntra is providing perfect cataloging of products on the homepage with discounts and brand labels offering the best user experience. The third point is great product search pages. So product pages in the e-commerce site showcase users particular product categories from different vendors and ranges. The very first subcomponent is effortless navigation with grid layout. When searching for products, what users want is that they can see more than one product on the single screen along with images, prices, offers, shipments, details, and so on. In that case, a grid product layout fits the best. Not just that, users also want some filter and sort of functions to find the product under their budget, and color, fabric, brand, etc. are like preferences. So yes, many online shopping stores like Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, and so on offer similar navigation. The second sub-component is show best sellers in products. So when you have got a lot of products listed in your online shop, you have to ensure that your users don't get confused by seeing variety of products. Hence, highlighting some best sellers, limited period offers, new arrivals, and so on is very important for you. The fourth point is informative product detail pages. So what do you think a product detail page should have? The very first point is product images from different angles, product name or title, prices, discounts, limited time offer with countdown offer, and FAQs, reviews, similar products, and so on. The more information and social proofs you add to your product detail page, the more effective user experience it will create to make their purchase from your shop. Along with content, its representation is also important to make the sale possible. The fifth point is simple and straightforward checkout page. Online shops checkout process is the same as checking out from the offline stores, but it offers like home delivery as well. It asks for information like payment details, adding address and contact details, confirming the price with applied offers and discounts, then making a payment to finally place the order. So when designing a UX for the online stores, checkout pages ensure that consumers should have details like how many stages or steps the checkout process would be completed. The sixth point is login and sign up page. After becoming a fan of your e-commerce site, users want to come back to your store. Hence, they create a profile to save their favorite products and other payment details. When thinking about user preferences and making their work easier with UX design, ensure that you ask for only limited information to simply create a profile and log into the profile. The information could include a phone number, email ID, username, and some social media account like Facebook or Apple like. So to do something unique, you can even mention the benefit a user will get on the first purchase. So yes, it's all up to you. The seventh point is user profiles. So this is the home of the users from where users can edit all the personal information such as username, bio, category, interests, wish list, and so on. And yes, this will help you out in many ways. So those were the tips for designing a compelling UX for the important e-commerce components. Now let's just discuss some expert tips on UX design practices to improve your user experience. So yes, time to discuss the core user experience design tips to make sure you don't miss any designer's touch in your online shopping store. The very first point is simplistic primary navigation. In the e-commerce store, app navigation to the functions plays a very good role, and no matter what, it shouldn't be compromised. As discussed, ensure that you include every important detail on the home page, be it product categorization, latest deals and sales, running offers in brands, featured products, personalized product recommendation, way to manage a user's account, and so on. It is very important to put all in the right place. Then comes minimalism. So minimalism is becoming a new normal in the world of design by adding simplistic approach, and in online shopping UX designing is like a minimalistic design approach largely focuses on product pages, snippets, typography, etc., which makes a product detail page appealing to the users. After all, it's all about providing a high quality user experience that drives business conversions. Then comes a very important point, that is responsiveness. So no matter what type of software you are developing, responsiveness for all types of devices remains high. So yes, make your e-commerce site's user experience flexible to meet all the devices screens, aspect ratio, and so on. This part needs the attention of both UI design and UX design in order to ensure the visual appearance. Lastly, I must add that in terms of creative design, UI UX designs live in the heart of our UI UX designers, and you can call them as army of creative digital design artists. And I'm speaking about Mind Inventory. All you need to do is visit www.mindinventory.com right now. So yes, that's it for today. We will see you in the next episode. Till then, keep rocking.